Hey everybody, Matthew with Mr. Domestic, and if there is one thing that guaranteed that I know will get me out of a funk, it's looking at pretty fabric. So I just got this awesome box of fabric from Art Gallery Fabrics. For those who don't know this, I'm a fabric designer with Art Gallery Fabrics. I'm currently designing my 6th collection, but I'm also their socialite / ambassador, so I get sent fabric to use for my other projects. So I'm gonna go over some of the newer collections and then something else that I requested. And I hope that you all enjoyed this as much as I know that I'm going to. And welcome to my dining room table. I got tired of filming all the time in my sewing room, so I was like, let's move it around, do something different, and ta-da. So let's open this up. Boom, boom. This is some denim that I requested. This is how I first learned about Art Gallery Fabrics, was their denim, and it's still gonna continue being that. So let me do the denim last, since gotta have some kind of order. And okay, so I don't know which collections are what, but I think this one is Mayfair by Amy Sinibaldi. I think that's it. Let me make sure I get them all. That's something separate. So let's go through Amy Sinibaldi's Mayfair. First thing, let me just put them all out. Since I'm doing this in real time, my first look, they're not gonna be ironed, but they'll still look fly. Wow, wow. Okay, I believe there should be 12 prints, because she's an angles designer like I am. Wow, wow, wow. Okay. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12. Okay, first impression, this color palette is sickening. It is amazing. I am excited. This seems to be, this one, it's like, how do I describe it? Like a brick-ish, brown-ish. It seems like it's a signature color of Amy's, and I am obsessed with this color. So I'm just going to, one at a time, open them up. I'm not gonna talk the whole time unless something like really like, I can't help myself, but basically I just want you to enjoy looking at this with me, so. Oh, wow. Okay, let's see. Those are trees, wow. Didn't even know that, I thought it was just like a polka dot. So, let me move this up here. So, okay, there we go. Ooh la la. And here's another one. This one, I believe, I can't tell if it's black or if it's a super dark blue. Looks like a super dark blue, but I might be wrong here. Amy, you knocked this out of the park. Oh, this green is beautiful. And it seems to be recording true to color, which is, yay, I found the right lighting. Right here. I think this is one, there was a different colorway of this one. No, they just tie in so great. Wow. Love this stripe. You can use it as a border. There's a lot you can use with it. This is one in a different colorway. Yeah, I know Amy's other collections because I love her design work. I just know that this will go with a lot of her other collections too. And then this one. Yeah, this is the same as this burgundy one. Love that. And then this one, oh my gosh. I want to eat this one. It is this yellow. Oh, gorgeous. Gorgeous. So this is Mayfair by Amy Sinibaldi. Let's see what else. Okay, this one, I thought I was recording earlier and I wasn't, but this one is a fusion by Art Gallery Fabrics. And for those who don't know what a fusion is, a couple times a year, maybe one or two a season, they will bundle thematically prints from all the other designers and from AJF Studio and then recolor them into a fusion to where they all look like they went together. And it's lovely because as a designer, I get to be in a bundle with some of my sister designers and I love that. Here is this one. This one is called Foresta Fusion. And then these are the 10 prints, just so you can see them all. It's a similar palette to the other one, but this one seems to have a little bit more volume on the saturation, but they would go really well together if you wanted to, if you really dug the colors. So here's one. It's a blender by Maureen. And then here's this one. This one's by Bonnie Christine. Ooh, this looks great in this color. This one. Eek, eek. I don't remember. I can't see it on the selvage, but beautiful. I believe it's a black undertone. I think. Yeah, it looks like a black. Another Bonnie Christine. Yeah, this one's Sharon Holland. Ooh. Beautiful. Ah, this one's Sharon Holland, I know that. Gorgeous, gorgeous. It's by Amy. This is a Pat Bravo one. It's like a yellow rust, kind of reads as a mustard. These are trees. This was a Maureen Cracknell one. And then this one. Ooh, this was a printed linen by Caterina Roccella in her Blythe collection that was out a couple years ago. I love that they redid this. I might remake that project just with this. Ooh, I've got an idea. So that is that one. And then this other one is another, I can't tell if it's a fusion or, yeah, this is a fusion. So this one is called Ballerina Fusion. So here's one. This one's a light, low volume one, delicate colors. Oh, this would look lovely. Very effervescent. Oh, you really need to see these close up. See the subtle? That could read in so many different quilts, so many different color stories. This one is making me feel like I'm getting a hug. Ooh. It's a light peach. It's a Bonnie Christine. This one is Pat Bravo, my friend. Ooh. Oh, this color story. Oh, it's lovely. This is not generally my flavor. I like pumped up colors, but wow, is this one lovely. this one. Ooh. So exciting to see which prints are picked to go in each one. Oh, yeah, look at that. The mandala is, oh, that thread, piece of thread. and then one more. Oh yeah, this one's a Jessica Swift one, I think. It's neat to see her design in a different color. I think this one was an orange one. Oh, look at that. Look at this. Oh. Oh, it's so delicate. It's so beautiful. Oh, yes. Oh, so now the denims. If you don't know about Art Gallery Fabrics denims, this is how I first got introduced to them as a company, because they were coming out with these solid smooth denims and other denims that are 4.5 ounces. So it's the same weight as like quilter's cotton, so you can integrate this into your projects, like as a blender or a basic instead of solids. I love what this adds. So this is like their denim, 100% cotton denim. And then the rest are solid smooths. This is all of the solid smooths. Oh, yes. Look at the colors. I'm so excited. Usually I'm not greedy when I ask, but I love these and I use this stuff in all of my projects. Here's another color. Oh, let me do the little stagger thing. There we go. And this one. Oh. I love these. I'm thinking about, because I'm gonna do a sew along for my woven denim quilt, the gradient quilt. I'm thinking I'm gonna make another one because these were out of stock for a bit. But now that they're back in stock, I'm gonna make a gradient quilt. For those who've seen it and know what I'm talking about, I'm gonna do it out of these colors, the same colorway as my woven trench coat that I made for Helena. I'm gonna do it in those colors. I think that will be super fly. Ooh. This one's like a peach. I think it's Nectarine Sunrise or something. And this one's called Adobe Clay, I think. Oh, I have been waiting for these to come back. I'm so excited. They're so much fun. The quilt's gonna be amazing. These collections, and this was my first time doing this on YouTube, this style. So if you have tips, go ahead and leave them in the comments. I'm just trying to have fun and add some different stuff to my YouTube channel, and I thought it would be really cool to share fabric. So if there's anything that you've seen elsewhere you thought might be neat, if there's something that you really liked the way that I showed it, there's something you'd like me to slow down, speed up, feedback is great. I love it. It's a gift if it comes from someone who loves you. So yay, this is my fabric haul. And one other thing, if you've made it this far, is that I am going to do a giveaway of some fabric whenever I do these kind of fabric haul videos. And I'm going to let y'all, whoever wins, pick one of the collections, and I will give you a fat quarter bundle of the collection that you pick of the 3, and I'll list them in the description, and then I'll go ahead and throw in a fat quarter bundle of all the denims too. So you will get anywhere between 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I have 8 denims. I'll make it 20. It's gonna be an even 20. For those that are only 10, I'm gonna throw in 2 extra ones. So all you have to do is put in the comment which one you want. You need to make sure to subscribe to the Mr. Domestic YouTube channel, and in the comments, tell me what you would make with it, and you can do it as many times as you want to with the different collections if you wanna go for it, if you're inspired by multiple ones. But let's share this because I'm super duper grateful that I'm their socialite and designer, and I love to share it with all of you. So on that note, I hope you enjoyed this fabric haul, sharing my fabric goodness, and keep it positive. Mr. Domestic out.